Hello guys, how are you? Today in this video we are going to unbox this wireless gaming mouse which comes from Evofox banshee series. So let's unbox this box and see what comes inside. So let's go.
Here we have the box Evofox banshee. Let's unbox this and let's see what comes inside. Let's unbox this. Here we have one sticker, actually 3 stickers of Evofox, a user manual. Here we have all the necessary information regarding this mouse, how to connect it and use it. Don't worry about it, I'm going to tell you all the functions. And here we have our mouse. Let's keep it aside and see what comes. And we have type A to type C cable to charge it and use it with wire mode. So here we have our mouse. Let's unwrap this. Wow guys, it really looks good and feeling much premium than other ordinary mouse. Below we have switch. Here we can on it with RGB mode, and on the right side we can use it without RGB, and another button for mode switches. We have 3 modes here. We can use it with wire mode, or we can use it with USB receiver or a Bluetooth mode. We have here something, let's see. Here we have this USB receiver. So let's first connect this mouse from my PC and see how does it perform. So I'm going to use it with Bluetooth mode. So I'm going to on it and turn it out for, it is already on Bluetooth mode. So I'm going to connect it and first see its RGB. We have its dedicated software where we can customize its all 8 buttons and its RGB light. You can feel its button response. So that's it, how it looks like.
Now guys, you tell me what do you think about this mouse, and if you have any question regarding this you can ask me in comments. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and thanks for watching.